goodness.
Oh, it's so heavy.
Hello guys, we're back at fishing. It's me, CJ, from Trip to Adventure. Today we're here in Lake Havasu, Arizona to catch some big slabs. Yum yum. Much bigger than one we caught in Florida. I'm so excited. We're going to use our jumbo today for the first time. I can't wait to catch monster shellcracker. So what are we waiting for? Let's go and join me in this adventure. Cameraman, make sure you get some good shots. Don't miss this one. I caught this one around the cattails they were building.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. God, dog. Oh my God. Wow.
Look at that. Oh my God, I can. Oh,
Yeah.
it's so big. Oh, my first one for today. It's so fat. Wow, it's so big.
Wow.
It's my first one for today. Oops. Wow, let me see again.
Looks like he swallowed it well. Let's just get him tired. This fish has a lot of energy. I'm enjoying pulling it off.
goodness.
So heavy.
Beautiful fish, beautiful fish. Listen, it's all the way across your chest.
Yeah, look at that.
Gosh. God, don't. God.
This is the biggest and heaviest shellcracker I've caught so far. If you want to catch a monster shellcracker around 2 pounds and up, this lake is the best place for you. Thank you again guys for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to comment down below. Have a wonderful day and I will see you on the next part of this video. Bye!